Okay, moving on to class 3, the last part of Seed Creative Thinking Project for even weeks. Now, unlike class 1 and 2 where you had 20 minutes to finish the CTP, you now have 40 minutes to complete it for class 3. Now, in regards to materials that you use to conduct this class, there are none provided to you on April Gate. And that is because the bulk of this class is made up of recording students' plays that they have been practicing for throughout the week. Now, to get into these steps of how to fill in these 40 minutes. The first thing that you have is 10 minutes, and that's really to get yourself organized as well as students. So, for students, what you can have them do is sit together and quiz each other to make sure that each student is memorized. And while they are doing that, what you can be doing is preparing your recording device. You can also gather all the props that they're going to use so it's easily accessible. And also you can answer any questions that the students might have. Then after those 10 minutes, you want to get students up to the stage to start performing and recording their plays. So at that time, really this picture here is what it will look like. So you have one group go up to the stage and they act out their play and you record it. Now, you may be wondering what the other students are doing in the class, and that is a great concern to have. There's two things. The first thing is students should be watching the other group perform because that is a great way for them to learn some acting abilities. However, the reality of that, although they do like to watch each other, they're kids, so they will talk. So we want to give them something to do, and that could be homework that they need to catch up on. That could be something that you prepared before class. But regardless, they should have something to help keep them quiet. So then, after the team has finished recording, then what you want to do is hold a short discussion within the class based on the student's performance. And by short, I mean 3 to 4 minutes. And what that looks like is just asking students what they liked about each student's performance. So we want to keep it really positive. After you facilitate that discussion, you follow the same steps for the next group. And so what that looks like again is recording the students and then holding that 3 to 4 minute discussion. So after you have recorded all the groups, really you are done with class 3. If you do find yourself with some extra time, some great options would be to show them their recorded play. And you can also, share a few more words of wisdom based on their performance. And the last thing that you don't want to forget is after the class, you need to upload this video to students' homepage so that their families can see their great performance.